House. So I decided to take this Parkfield earthquake capital ride by myself today. A couple people said they were going to go earlier, and then by the time we were done settling in and eating and hydrating, everyone's like, no, forget it, I'm going to see her. But looking at this one road to Parkfield, which according to everything is the correct road, I'm like, why do I always find these broken ass roads? Look at this shit. Look. Oh God. And as some may know, I busted a tire on something like that once. So I'm a little like, is this the right road? But there was even a sign off the highway that said Parkfield that way. So, holy shit. And the birds tried to kill me on top of that. So, in one sense, oh man, I wish somebody was with me. Just in case something happens. But on the flip side, I'm glad nobody's listening to be like, Liv, why are we going this way? This was the wrong way. So, that's where we're at. At least I got plenty of gas. That's always what I'm worried about with this stuff. But, like, I saw a UPS truck. Now I see this car, so it's not totally abandoned. It's just not maintained at all. That's all. So, that's where we're at. That truck is probably like, why is she on this road? So far, the ride's been gorgeous, and a lot of the road has been, not like this road-wise, like this populated-wise. Very much not people anywhere. So, that's it. I just want to share that, do that video diary in case I did wind up in a ditch and eaten by a cow kind of deal. But I feel okay. I've seen 3 vehicles, one being the UPS truck, so not totally alone. And I turn in 12 miles. Now, if this road turns to like dirt or gravel or something, and I've got like 5 miles, I'd be like, maybe not, and I'll turn. But I'm definitely, when I get back to camp, going to find those Bitwell maps and be like, okay, I went down the right road? Yeah, warn people. Just saying. Okay, I'm going to save this battery. Bye. that? Is that a dog? Yeah, he's just hanging out. Hey, pup. Hey! Hey! Hello! Aw, he's so cute. Thanks, buddy. The car's like, lady, it's a dog. I'm like, I know, but it's a cute dog. Did you not see how cute they were? Ooh, bridge. Wow. Damn it, Chop. Fucking wow. Wow. Oh, I got patched. So there's that. Alright, guys. Oh, last one. Why'd you guys run if you got wings? I did it. I stood on my bike. Bye. Okay, because I'm putting my shoulders on. My arms on my shoulders. It's terrible. Oh my God. Shot! No, 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 no! Oh! Holy fuck. No. Just made it. Oh! Scared that hard. Scared myself. A little fast. But I did it. It's like, yeah.